Ever asked yourself the question, who am I? Ever paid attention to what makes you who you are? You might have spent days thinking about it, while the world around you seems to have it all figured out. Who am I? Let us explore. Sometimes the world around you feels like a scary place. It feels like the walls are caving in. You can't breathe. You can't do anything. It feels like you're failing in everything. I don't know what I am. It feels like everyone else is moving on with their lives while I'm stuck here in the hole that I can't climb out of. I could let myself sink deeper, or could get up and try to turn my life around. The hardest part of life is deciding whether to walk away or try harder. They say you can achieve everything when you work hard, running after a goal, figuring out what makes you click, all to figure out who you are. If there is no struggle, there is no progress. A goal doesn't become reality through magic. It takes sweat, determination, and hard work. But sometimes that's not the case. Some things are just not meant to be. Every individual is different. What is good for them might not be okay for you. Life is full of ups and downs. But what matters is how you react to it, what you do to make it right. Life seems difficult, but there is always something you can do, always something you can succeed at. Success doesn't descend upon you. You have to rise up for it. Life is a journey. A journey is not a trip, nor is it a vacation. It's a process, a discovery. It's a process of self-discovery. A journey brings us face to face with ourselves. A journey shows us not only the world, but how we fit in it. Does the person create the journey, or does the journey create the person? The journey is life itself. Where will life take you? As soon as I started doing what I loved, everything fell back into place. I figured out who I am. I figured out that I'm a gamer. Gaming is where my passion lied. I want to be a professional gamer when I grow up. This is who I am. I found myself. Have you?